Hello everyone, how are you doing? So nice to see you all. Hi Sanya, Ved. Okay, so we have Bhumika, Hans. Hi everyone. Ketanya, so nice to see you. Good evening everyone. All right. So wait, this is not a correct way to kind of initiate a communication. I'm only here for teaching kids, nothing else, okay? So that is my major focus, and that is the only thing that anyone would be getting a reply over here. So yeah, it's just be a little modest about it, okay? So don't do that. If you want to come here and study and gain knowledge, I would be happy to do that. But yeah, this is not a good behavior in all the classes, okay? All right, very nice to see you all here. So as you know that today's topic is going to be physical and chemical changes. This is a very important topic in your 7th class, but however, not a difficult one, because if you understand the concept behind that, you wouldn't be facing much of the problem with the chapter and everything, right? Okay, so Bhumika is from Gwalior. So nice to have you here. Where are you from? Each and every one of you. I'm from Delhi. What about you? Hi, Tanisha. Yes, we do have Mentee Quiz. Absolutely, we do. Okay, let me just increase the screen size a bit. Yeah, so that would be like better. Okay, so let's quickly start off with like a warm up about, not a warm up, a revision about what platform this is. So, yes, let's crack it together. I'll take a purple pen. All right. So my name is Abha Sharma. As you all know, I am an educator from past so many years teaching beautiful kids like you. And I love doing my job. Hi Sujal, how are you doing? So nice to see you here. Shaurya, good evening. Saksham, hello. Hi Divya. All right, so these are the ongoing and upcoming batches on this particular platform where you can, be a part of them while downloading the Unacademy application, and also, being a part of Plus or Iconic subscription. So these are the revision batches that has started in November, but however, they would be continued till January. So this is a very good, time to basically join in. Hello, Kushi. Hi, Ghansham. So nice to have you. Hi, Ayan. I'm doing great. What about you? And how was your Christmas? First of all, tell me that. Tanisha, hello. How was your Christmas, guys? I literally enjoyed and partied a lot. I received gifts from myself. What about you? Hi, Kushi. Okay, so let's revise it together. Is a batch that I have come up with, and all these wonderful teachers would be teaching you as well. So this is about science and mathematics revision. So yeah, each and every teacher would be meeting you like each and every day of the not each and every day, one day at a time. So you can definitely be a part of them. So I would be like there on Mondays at 5, then Sneha ma'am, Shashank, Nambita ma'am, and all of these. Merry Christmas! Yes, I am doing great. What about you? Yes, I know, Saksham. So nice to have you here. All right, so again, this is the revision batch, and this is something really interesting because this is like a poll time batch that we have come up for the Plus and Iconic subscription on Unacademy application. So yes, you can be a part of them. So it will be like a whole poll class on different topics that these teachers would be taking for English, Science and SST. So yes, that is going to be a wonderful one. Hi, Jay, Zahir. Gaurav, hello! So nice to see you all here. So nice, very nice, Khushi. All the best. Hi, Gitika. Meeting you after so long. Welcome to the session, Jay. We are loving to have you here. Oh my God, Ayan, just take care, okay? Take rest, and you would be doing great in few time. That is so great to hear, Bhumika. So these are all the benefits that you get in a Plus subscription or the Iconic subscription. So you can definitely be a part of any one of them. So in a Plus subscription, you get all the India's best educators, interactive live sessions such as these, and more good things on Unacademy application. Then we have our live tests and quizzes and polls and everything. So you need to kind of go ahead and download that application, make account, start taking special classes. You'll get an idea about what we offer in the Plus and Iconic subscription, and then you can go ahead with them as well. So we do have like a lovely creative corner that comes up for free in the Iconic subscription. So that is the best part. I would be telling you about that as well. So in the Iconic subscription, we do have like a personal mentor, live doubt solving session, parent connect app, and a study planner. So I'll quickly tell you, because this is something really amazing about this platform. I'm just quickly reading all your chats in very, I would say in 2 minutes. Let me explain you about the Iconic subscription. So this is something really interesting that Unacademy has come up with. So in this, they would be providing you with a personal mentor. So a personal mentor means that there would be a guide for you to basically help you manage your studies. कि अगर मेरा इस दिन ये chapter है और इसका test है, या फिर मेरे ये 2-3 chapters आ रहे हैं, so how should I work on my studies to improve my scores and everything. So if you want to go ahead and apart from the crowd, you need to kind of manage your things that greatly. Okay. So yeah, so these are the subscription plans for Plus and Iconic. Of course, they are going to get revised very soon. So this is the best part to be a part of them, best time to be a part of them. So everything on Plus would be available on Iconic, plus a lot of things. So yeah, you can definitely go ahead and be a part. And this is about the creative corner. So creative corner is my favorite part on Unacademy. Why? Because it takes you beyond your academics. As in, if you want to go ahead and do robotics, if you want to learn debating, public speaking, blogging, anything like that, magic tricks, there would be classes for each and everything. So that is the best and the most exciting part. Okay, thank you so much for liking this video. Hi Divya, yes, I do remember you. Okay, so now let's quickly start with today's topic, and let me quickly go through all of your chats. Hello, hi everyone. Okay, lots of highs. Yes, I'm an Indian. Ankit, personal mentor. I don't know, I will be the one, but yeah, someone really, I would say educated and experienced in this field would be your personal mentor. Alright, thank you so much for liking this video and subscribing to this channel. Yes, AS23 is my referral code. So nice that you people shared that. Thank you so much. Thank you, Hans. Yes, thank you so much for promoting and liking this video, guys. I really appreciate it. So let's begin with today's topic, because we do have Mentee Quiz also. Okay, so in the last, I would say 20-25 minutes, we would be going to the Mentee. But before that, let's quickly discuss this chapter, because this is a very easy peasy one, but still the concept needs to be cleared. Okay, so let's understand what is a change, right? So if I have nails and I painted them blue, so that is a change that I actually did on my nails, that is changing their color, right? If I had a burn on my skin, so that skin texture is changed by burning, so that is a change. So each and every small to small things in your environment that are changing, so that is that are basically have become a little different from what they were, it is known as a change. So it is a very good line to say that change is constant. So change जब होता है हमारी लाइफ में, वो कांस्टेंट होता है. हर पल हर मोमेंट में आपकी बॉडीज, आपका एनवायरनमेंट कंटिन्यूसली चेंज हो रहा है. If this is a pencil, I just moved it from here to here, so the change in position is taking place. So each and every small to small, big to big things are like changes. Yes, I do remember all of you. Emperor Plaptine, hi, hello. Okay, so you are Vijay. Hello Vijay, so nice to see you here. All right, so great to have you. Yes, we do have Mentee Quiz, guys, and I would love to be, going to take that, and I love you to be a part of that. So yes, so let's quickly discuss this, and we would be having a discussion first, guys, and then we would be moving ahead with the Mentee Quiz as always. Hello, Srijan. Okay, so do tell me, like, I would be kind of scheduling my classes for the next month. So do tell me if you want classes on the basis of Mentee quizzes only, or you want revision and Mentee quizzes. So tell me about it, and what chapters do you want me to cover in the next month. So quickly tell me, so I'll put that in my schedule. Okay, so do that until I'm explaining you. Hi, Gansham. Yes, lovely to have you here. Hi, Shrijan. So it could be a change in state, position, shape, size, color, temperature, composition, structure, anything that is known as that. So that is why, just as I said, change is constant in our environment, in our bodies, and everywhere that you can look. So change can occur everywhere at any time, and it differs from one to another. Okay. Hi Harsh, how are you doing? Okay, electric current and effects given by Tanisha. Thank you so much for that. Revision and Mentee. Okay, got it. Hi Taranjeet, so nice to have you here with me. Yes, Rita, we are not starting with the Mentee quiz right away. We would take some time and then we would start it, okay? Let me quickly revise the chapter for you quickly, wala. So see, there's like 1 hour of class, but we can definitely give only 20 minutes for revision, right? After that, we would be having Mentee quiz. Don't worry. Yes, melting of ice is a physical change. Light, shadow, and reflection. Okay, I'll put that. Put that in my yeah. So nice to have you all. Let me just quickly do that. Okay, yeah, let me just give me a chance to do it. Okay, just a second, my live chat is not coming up. All right, I think now it's good. Yes, absolutely. So burning of candle is both your physical and chemical changes, right? So yes. All right. So we have like 2 types of changes. One is physical and another one is chemical. I know this is like a new chapter for you. So we would be going in detail of each and every, aspect over here. So right now, let's talk about physical changes and let's see what are the, characteristics, that why do we call one change as physical and another one as chemical. Okay. I use Google Slides for this. Yes, we will like quickly revise this chapter. Hans, what are you asking? Okay, so Google Slides. Yes, absolutely, Srinivas. So I really love when you people give me inputs in this. Lovely to see all of your inputs right over here. Okay, so physical change is one kind of change where no new substance is formed. Why do we say that? That physical changes only, change in your size or your color, or I would say something that is reversible happens, your shape. That is known as a physical change. So as you people are giving me like lots and lots of examples over here, like someone just told me cutting of paper, someone told me freezing of ice. So yes, all of these are the example of physical changes because nothing new is forming, but the state or the shape or the size or the color of that particular substance is changing. The chemical composition, like कुछ नया नहीं बन रहा है, nothing new is forming, but we are able to change that, right? Melting of ice, very nice, fun, very nice inputs. So these are like the examples of physical changes, right? Okay, so these are the characteristics. Let's go ahead and quickly revise them. And of course, you can use these notes for writing answers as well. That's why I've given them in pointers so that you can learn them as well and then you can use that also. Okay. So, No new substance is formed by a physical change, of course, as we just discussed. A physical change can be reversed. So I will not say all the physical changes can be reversed, but yeah, 99.9% of them can be reversed. Like, boiling of water. So from water, we are making water vapor. So the state of water is changing. But however, if we condense that water vapor, again, we would be able to form our water, right? Okay, so cutting of fruit. So Emperor Palpatine is asking us that, what is cutting of fruit? So you people tell me, is it a physical change or is it a chemical change? Cutting of fruit. Quickly tell me that. Okay, I believe that I won't be able to send this slide, but yeah, you can take screenshots right now and you can download the Unacademy application. There you would be able to download all the slides that I put up. Okay, Tanisha? Yes, nice. Yeah, you can take a screenshot as well. I'll just move thoda sa, I don't know, idhar thoda sa. Maybe you can just take a screenshot now, quickly. Okay? All right. Okay, so just name the chapter quickly, Bhumika, and I'll try to schedule a class for that. Yes, rubber band, stretching of a rubber band is a chemical change. Very nice. So cutting of fruit is a physical change. Why? Because we are not making another fruit out of it, right? We are only changing the shape of that fruit. So it is a physical change, whoever asked, okay? Very little energy is either absorbed or evolved in physical changes. So not more of energy is, involved in it. A temporary color change in color may take place. So all of these are like, the characteristics of physical changes. Hello Kuljit, so nice to have you here. Hi Ashmita, hi Rakesh. All right, so yeah, let's quickly take an example of ice, and freezing water or your water vapor. So water has three states: ice, and then your water, and then your water vapor. So solid, liquid and gas. So if we keep on changing between these states, we are only basically changing the state of water, and that is absolutely reversible. So it is known as the physical change. आप competition level का भी I right now I'm only taking classes from 6th to 8th. So nice to have you, Rakesh, over here. Yes, absolutely, Emperor. I love your name though. All right, so yeah, freezing of water is a chemical change, absolutely. Because we are not making something new out of it, we are just changing its state. So the water, I have just frozen water right now. I just take it out and put it on, keep it on the table. After a while, it would be back to water again. So it is reversible. So it is, of course, a physical change. All right. So Bhumika is asking that respiration as organism is a physical change. Bhumika, I would get back to you on this in this particular class because it is not. Respiration is a complete different process. I would be explaining you when we will be coming to chemical changes. Okay, so don't worry about that. All right, so making a solution as in if I make like a salt and salt and water solution, a salt solution. So yes, I will mix salt into it and it will become salty water. However, I can easily segregate, I can easily separate salt from water by using the process of evaporation. So again, nothing new is forming, and again I can get my two components back. So that is known as a physical change. It is reversible. Ma'am, is melting of ice physical change? Absolutely, Srinivas. Melting of ice is a physical change. Why? Because it is irreversible. Sujal, respiration is not only inhale and exhale. Don't worry, I will explain this concept very nicely to you. Yes, we do have Mentee Ishika very, very soon starting. So let me just quickly cover up this revised chapter and clear all your doubts, and then we will be going ahead with the Mentee. Okay, so I believe a few more minutes before we can start with the Mentee. All right, so breaking off a glass tumbler. So breaking off a glass tumbler, again, the glass is basically cracked and smashed into lots of pieces. So the shape of the glass tumbler is basically changing. However, we are not changing the composition of that glass. It is still a glass, even if it's a small piece. So that is the physical change. All right, let's quickly jump on to the chemical changes. So here it becomes a little tricky, I would say, in this chapter. But again, yes, absolutely, Sumedh. So breaking of glass is also a physical change. Yes, absolutely. And let me see what people. Hi, Ramkumar. How are you doing? No, Srinivas. Photosynthesis is not a physical change. I'll explain you why. Respiration and organism. I have already taken a few classes on that, Bhumika, on the Unacademy application. So those are special classes, and even on this YouTube. So if you want to like quickly revise it, you can go ahead and with those classes. But definitely I'll take one more, in the next month as well. Okay, that would be good. Okay, yeah. So let's talk about chemical changes. A chemical change is one which basically brings more than one or two permanent changes in a substance or in a object that we are doing that with. So a new substance is formed in a chemical change, and it is irreversible. How? If your food gets spoiled, right? So that is a chemical change, because we cannot make it fresh again. So someone asked me a question that, ma'am, if we cut the fruit, it would be a physical change, right? So हमने अगर fruit को cut किया है, so वो हमारा physical change है, because सिर्फ shape change हुई है. But if we just leave that fruit for like 2 days on the table, it will start getting rot. It will start getting spoiled, right? So now that would be a chemical change, because I cannot make a fresh fruit back from it. Absolutely. Thank you so much for the input, Shaurya. So milk to curd is a chemical change. Absolutely, because हम milk to curd बना सकते हैं, curd to milk वापस नहीं बना सकते, right? So there is like a whole chemical change that is happening right now. Burning of paper, very nice, Jay. Yes, absolutely, Sujal. It is a permanent change. Good question, Srinivas. 99% of them are reversible, but I will not promise all of them. Yes, okay. So characteristics of chemical changes are right over here on your screens. So one or more new substance is formed, of course, as we discussed. It is not reversible. A lot of energy is either absorbed or given out. So like, if you talk about chemical changes, if you, a lot of energy is basically used in that. Even if you are doing the process of photosynthesis. So a lot of energy, the heat of sun is used and other things are used to make that thing happen. Change in smell take place, a change in odor takes place, maybe a gas is produced. So all these characteristics of chemical changes are there. There might be a permanent change in color as well. Okay, so let's quickly, discuss some of the examples that you people told me. So first one that you people asked about was respiration. Okay, so let me quickly explain you the difference between respiration and breathing. They are like similar, but they are not same. Breathing का मतलब क्या होता है? Breathing is simply inhaling or exhaling of gases, right? So you inhale the gases, आपने सांस ली, वो गैस आपके अंदर गई, आपने वो यूज़ करा और वो बाहर आ गया. So inhale और exhale करना मतलब सिर्फ breathing, right? So one inhale plus one exhalation, that makes up your one breath, right? But respiration is a more complex, I would say, process. Why? Because breathing is a part of respiration. So आप respiration में what you do, you inhale, you breathe in air. After that, that air is used to, break down the food that you have eaten, and after breaking out that food, energy is released, and after that, the air that you have used is basically, the extra or the air that we do not want is taken out of your body. So inhalation or exhalation is a part of respiration, but after that the major thing is breaking down food to create energy. So respiration is a chemical change, okay? It is not a physical change, right? The second one asked by, I think, Srinivas was photosynthesis. So again, in photosynthesis, you are absorbing the energy of the heat. You are taking up water, you are taking up minerals, you are taking up, carbon dioxide from the environment. You are using all those things to basically make a new substance that is food of the plant. That might be fruit, that might be the food that they consume. So that is again a chemical change. आप fruit से वापस fruit को तोड़ के sunlight or you cannot fragmentize that, and you cannot just make water and minerals back out of it. Yes, absolutely. Making of a cake, it is absolutely a chemical change, because that is like your it's a cooking, it's cooking, right? So cooking is a chemical change. If I'm making if I made a cake, and I just love cakes, you just made me hungry a bit. So yeah, I love cakes. So if you are making a cake, you are cooking up that the batter that you have made, the things, that ingredients. So can you get your ingredients back? No, I don't think so. So that is a chemical change. Rusting of iron, asked by Sujal. So rusting of iron. So I'll tell you. So iron is a metal which, when it comes in contact with the oxygen or the air, it starts getting damaged, it starts degrading, and there is a reaction that takes place. So that is known as oxidation, right? So when it happens, the iron starts getting rusted. So that process is known as rusting of iron. So वो खराब होना शुरू हो जाता है, and again you cannot make that जो वो नई चीज़ rusting, जो rust बन गया है, you cannot make back, you cannot reverse it and make an iron again. So that is a chemical change. Okay, so cutting of leaves and cutting of wood is coming up in the comment section. So guys, cutting से अब क्या हुआ कि आपने wood को cut तो कर दिया, right? So I know it is irreversible, but कुछ नया चीज़ तो नहीं बनी ना, that is wood only ना. So that is like change in shape. So that would be a physical change, not a chemical one. How dissolution of sugar and common salt in water? Okay, so you are asking me how you can separate a common salt or sugar from water by the process of evaporation. Very nice, Srinivas. I liked that answer for rusting. Okay, let's begin. So burning of magnesium ribbon. So again, this is like a good chemical change that is like, introduced in this particular chapter for you. So if you take like a long, thin strip of magnesium, that is known as your magnesium ribbon, when it's heated, it creates like a huge white light. So of course, then it, leaves its ashes, that is magnesium oxide. So it is completely a chemical change that happens. And then it's they're talking about copper sulfate and iron. So you can literally go ahead and go ahead with these things. But in cake, ma'am, properties are the same. So sure, yeah. For cake, I don't know how to make a cake. So I think you need some kind of powder, I don't know, baking soda, and I don't know what you take to make that cake. And then you put some, I don't know, water, you beat that, I don't know what you do. But all those ingredients are making something new, that is a cake, right? So they are getting cooked. So that is why वो अब आप वापस तो उसके इंग्रेडिएंट्स को अलग नहीं कर सकते ना. सो दैट इज़ वाई दैट इज़ अ केमिकल चेंज. एनी काइंड ऑफ कुकिंग, इवन इफ यू आर मेकिंग अ रोटी आउट ऑफ wheat, and that is a kind of a chemical change, because you are burning that to make a roti. Even if you are making rice, that you are like boiling rice to make it, so yeah, it is a chemical change. Okay. All right. Yes, absolutely. Color changes also takes place in your chemical changes. And then someone is asking about digestion of food. Absolutely, it's a chemical change, because once you have eaten the food, it is getting digested. So now what you are doing, that mango is not going to your hand and giving it energy. You are breaking that thing down. You are absorbing the minerals, you are absorbing the energy from that, and then you are excreting the waste also. So from mango, you are fragmentizing it in so many things and using that up. So of course it's a chemical change. After digestion, can you just, whatever you have just left out in the washroom, can you just make a mango out of it back again? I don't think so. All right. Hi, Aryan. Powdering of that would not be, powdering of anything would not be. Let me give you an example over here. If I give you a chalk, right, and what you do is you start powdering it, you start breaking it down and you make it chalk powder. So would that be a chemical change? Are you making something new? No, absolutely not, because again, you can make that back into a chalk. So of course, powdering of anything would not be a physical change, would not be a chemical change. It's a physical change. All right, so let us quickly revise the difference between the two. So chemical changes not easily reversible, but however physical changes can be reversed easily. Chemical changes may a new product is formed always, but in the physical changes no new product is formed, right? Then you have a lot of energy is absorbed or given out in a chemical change, but however in a physical change very little energy is sometimes involved and used. Hi Anubhav. Okay, so I don't believe that it is included in this chapter, Srinivas. All right, we can talk about it somewhere in that particular chapter where that is a part of it. Okay, so someone is asking me expansion and contraction kya hota hai. We are just starting with the Mentee, guys. Just wait up for 2-3 minutes more. All right, so expansion and contraction. Expansion matlab size में बड़ा होना, right? Like if I just take a balloon and I'm just blowing air into it, so the size of it is expanding, right? So that is expansion, when the size increases, right? Contraction means when the size of any object decreases. So expansion and contraction is usually referred with heating and cooling. So I'll give you an example right over here. If let me take an example. I take an example of metal. Okay, so if I take an example of metal, if I heat that metal, so the size of the metal would start increasing, right? So that is known as expansion. If I start cooling up that metal, that size would start decreasing, and that would be known as contraction. Dissolving of sugar in water will be a physical change because nothing new is formed. Yeah, so who is ready to lead now? You tell me. Give me a thumbs up, and I want I want you to subscribe to this channel before starting. Yes, I am on Unacademy application. Expansion and contraction are physical changes. Srinivas. I love when you put up questions. Okay, so who is ready to lead? Quickly give me a thumbs up. Yes, Rita, that is a physical change. Because nothing is formed. You can easily reverse that. You can easily evaporate that water. Right? Evaporate that solution. The water would be segregated. The water would become water vapor. And you will be left with sugar. So it is reversible. So yes, let's start with the Mentee Quiz. Okay. And yeah, I think I need to open that. Just give me a second. Okay, this should not have been done. Let me just quickly open that. Okay, yeah, here it is. So yes, so again, this chapter is not like a rocket science chapter. So the question in this chapter would be very straightforward. I usually make all the masaladar questions for you, bringing up all the lovely options and blah 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 blah. But here it would be like more straightforward questions, just to check that are you able to think that way or not. It's just a straight chapter. या तो वो physical change है या फिर वो नहीं है. So yeah, so please do keep asking me questions, no problem. So the code is right over on your screen. So to take part in this Mentee quiz, what you need to do is, guys, you need to kind of open mentimeter.com. I'm writing it in, and I'm writing the thing that you need to write in the tab, and then I'm writing the code as well in the chat. So it is 3695 844. Okay, so the code is 3695 844. 3695 844. Okay, so Shaura is the thinking emoji. Who is who? Quickly tell me until everyone is joining. So who is the banana? Who is the umbrella? The alien? The boater? Okay. Who is rowing the boat over here? Who's the lion and heart eyes and fish and unicorn? Oh my god, I love your emojis. The train. Cake, I love cake. The caterpillar and the smiling cat. Okay, so Shaurya is the thinking emoji. Srinivas is the train. Thank you so much for sharing the code, Katanya. That is so sweet of you. So Jay is the cake. Alright. Sujal is the unicorn. Hi Shaimali. So nice to have you. Quickly join in. So Aryan is the teddy. No, Aryan is the fish. Pranjali is the teddy. Okay. Flowers hello is the penguin. Oh, hi. I'm so glad that you are here from the starting, Sakshi. Dinosaur, okay. Ketanya. Diamond ring is Ronak. Harihar is the alien. Sakshi is the crown. Jay is the hat. Aryan is a fish. Cat. Oh my god. Alright. So another 30 seconds and we are quickly starting with the Mente Quiz. Okay, I'm waiting. Quickly join in. I love to have all of you here. So again, I'm telling you the code, that is 3695844. Okay? 3695844. So I'm counting down in my mind. I'll not count down 30 aise bilkul, but I'm counting down. In 30 seconds we would be starting. Okay? Alright, so okay, so Bhumika is the heart eyes. Last 10 seconds to join, guys. Yes. Okay, Rita, quickly join in. Yes. Last 5 seconds, guys. Quickly join in. Yes, Rita. I'm waiting for you. Mukta, quickly join in. Then we'll start. Don't worry. Okay, Bhumika, you are the heart eyes. So the code is 3695844. 3695844. Okay? Perfect. So let's start with the Mentee Quiz now. And here is the first question. Quickly join in, guys. You will have lots of questions to lead. Okay, an easy peasy one. Again, the questions in this today's Mentee Quiz would be very straightforward. Most of them would be true or false, okay? So yeah, there's nothing I would say challenging, because this is an easy peasy straightforward chapter. Absolutely. So this is absolutely true. No new substance in a physical change is formed. I am just changing the shape or the color or the the state of that. So कोई भी चीज नई नहीं बनती है. So that is absolutely true. Yes, I am on Unacademy. Alright, so Vijay was the fastest. Very nice. Then we have Shaurya and Sakshi. Achhi bachi Sakshi in the top 3. Then we have Ritesh, Chahak, Kaitanya, Harsh, Sujal, Hadya and Rudransh in the top 10 in the first leaderboard. Congratulations, guys. So the first leaderboard really went well, and that is so nice to see you all here. Okay, so the next question is on your screens. Read it out. Gas can be formed in a chemical change or not? Let's see who can answer this one. Alright, I'm waiting for all the correct answers. I need at least, lots and lots of questions, because all of them are correct, direct questions. So yes, I want lots and lots of correct answer, guys. 100% correct answers. These are very easy peasy questions. Gas can be formed in a chemical change. Absolutely yes. It can be formed. Okay, so that is one of the characteristics of a chemical change, that it can be formed. So let's quickly take an example of photosynthesis, right? We use gas to basically photosynthesis. We use carbon dioxide and then we produce oxygen also, na? Yeah, absolutely. So let's see what is the leaderboard saying. all my students are very, very, very good. So I have like full, I would say confidence that you are a lovely one. So Shaurya is the fastest. Then we have Ritesh, Rudransh, Hatya, Harsh, Tanisha, Abha ma'am ki fan. So nice. And then we have Srinivas, Karthik, Aryan, and Shreya. Very, very good. Very good. So, okay, so she's not a fan. Abha ma'am ki AC. All right, that was a good one, Tanisha. All right, let's move ahead. So, Vedant, the code is child 3695844. Okay, and here is the code. Oh, sorry, the question, the next question. When candle burns, both physical and chemical changes occur. Is that true or is that false? Not at all, Emperor. So, the best part about Mentimeter and any kind of polls and quizzes that we take on this Unacademy platform, that nothing, your ranks, the number of the time, sorry, not the number, the time that you are answering it, nothing is in my control. My hands are over here. I am doing nothing over here. I'm just clicking for the next question. Everything is calculated by the computer. Your time, your ranks, your correct, wrong answers, everything by the computer. Okay, so it's absolutely fair. So when candle burns, both physical and chemical change place. That is absolutely true. So first of all, that is burning, and it is becoming a vapor that we cannot collect back or reverse, and then again it is melting as well. So that is why it can be again made into a wax. So yes, that is like both physical and chemical changes. Alright, so Shaurya is the fastest one. Then we have Ritesh, Rudransh, Srinivas, Harsh, Tanisha, Karthik, Nikhil, Jay, and Shreya. Welcome to the leaderboard. Very nice. Yes, absolutely, Karthik. Melting of wax is a physical change. Hi, Vault Gamer. Welcome to the class. Quickly join in the Mente Quiz. A physical change is generally a change in okay, so let's see who can catch the the thing over here. And last few seconds to answer it away. Both A and C, they are generally reversible and temporary as well. I know, फटाफट देखते ही reversible change को फटाफट answer कर दिया. Read all the options. I love to make questions like these. A big game changer right over here in on your screen. So yes, both it is reversible and temporary also. Okay, so the Mentee Quiz code is 3695844. 3695844. So Nikhil was the fastest this time. Very well done. Then we have Ritesh, Karthik, and Nikhil in the top 3. Then we have Shreya, Rudransh, Shaurya, Rudransh, Mastermind. 2 Rudransh in this class. So nice. And both of them are masterminds. Then we have Srinivas. We have Harsh and Tanisha. So nice to have you. Thank you, Sakshi, for sharing the leaderboard. Oh, sorry, not the leaderboard, the code. Thank you so much. All right, so the next question is on your screens, guys. And here it is. When there is a temporary change in its color, it is a dash change. Okay, easy peasy one. I know you people can answer that. Very well done. Let's see who is the correct one today. Good. So when there is a temporary change in the color, that is a physical change, not a chemical change. Let me give you a quick example over here. Suppose iron में हम rusting हो रही है या फिर burn हो गया कोई चीज़, right? So if like I was making a chapati and I burnt it, now it changed its color to black. So is it a reversible change, or is it like a chemical? Like is it temporary? No, na. It's like it's permanent. Chemical change हमेशा permanent हो जाएगा अगर color में change होगा, but physical में that is like temporary, right? I painted my nails blue today, I paint my nails black the other day, so that would be a temporary one. All right. Okay. So let's see who is here. Yes, I know. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So Shaurya was the fastest this time. We have Ritesh, Shreya and Rudransh mastermind in the top 3. Then we have Shaurya, Harsh Garg, Tanisha, Srinivas, Rudransh, Karthik and Nikhil. Very well done. Let's quickly jump on to the next question. Very nice. Sakshi and whoever answered it correctly. A chemical change is temporary or permanent. So see, all of these questions are absolutely, I would say, straight to the point, right? No ghuma fira question, very easily all the characteristics, either they are on the characteristics, either they are on the changes, कि ये वाला chemical है या physical है, या फिर अगर chemical change की properties क्या है. So very good, 28 of you are absolutely correct. So that is a permanent change, a chemical change. It cannot be reversed. It's not temporary. Very nice. Yes, absolutely. Very direct questions. So let's see who is going to be on the top. So Rudransh was the fastest one this time. Very well done. Then we have Ritesh, Shreya and Rudransh in the top 3. Then we have another Rudransh. We have Shaurya, Srinivas, Tanisha, Harsh, Nikhil and Anshika. Welcome to the leaderboard. Very nicely done, guys. And here is your very next question. That is so sweet of you, Sakshi, because you listened and you were like attentive in the class. That's why you were able to answer that. It's so nice. Really appreciate that. Tearing of paper is a dash change, but burning of paper is a dash change. Very easy peasy one. No misclicks this time, please. You people are really intelligent to answer this one. Come on, guys. Come on. Seriously, 50% of you are only correct. Less than 50. So, of course, tearing मैंने उसका shape change कर दिया, but मैंने कुछ नया तो नहीं बनाया ना. So, that is a physical change. And burning of paper is a chemical change. Burning में ashes बन गई, कुछ नया product, उसकी chemical composition change हो गई. It is irreversible. So, that would be a chemical one, right? Come on, guys. I want more correct answers. No, मैं इंडिया से हूँ, इंग्लैंड से नहीं हूँ. Shubham. All right. Okay. So let's see. It was like it was easy question. It was a game changer. I cannot even believe that. Okay, so Nikhil was the fastest. I'm really proud of you. Okay, then we have Shreya in the top now. Very nice. Then we have both the Rudransh masterminds in the top 3. Great. Then we have Tanisha quickly climbing up the charts. Harsh, Ritesh, Nikhil, Achi Bachi Sakshi, then Shaurya and Srinivas. Welcome to the leaderboard. Very nicely done. Very nice, Rita. So thank you so much for answering it here as well. A change in physical state could be a change in. Okay, you read all the options. I know you people are going to do great. They are very straightforward questions, like a click of mind. Just think about it and answer. You would be able to do amazing. And yes, most of you answered it absolutely correctly. And मुझे पता जो first 2 जिन्होंने answer करा है, that is like a quick वाला, misclick, right? Yes, all of the above is absolutely correct because it can be a change in shape, size and color, all 3 of them, right? So very well done. Good number of percentage in this question. I'm still waiting for that question in which all 100% of you answered it correctly. Okay, so we do have tie between the two fastest fingers, that is of Shaurya as well as Srinivas. Very well done. We have Shreya, Ritish and Tanisha in the top 3. Then we have Nikhil, Harsh, Sakshi, Rudransh, Shaurya, Srinivas and Rudransh in the top 10. Very nice, guys. Yes, I'm so glad that your answer was right. Divarya. Okay, which of the following is a chemical change? Keep calm and study hard. Okay, hello, welcome to the class again. Chemical change कौन सा है इनमें से? All right. Let's take the fire to the the quiz, I would say. All right, so yes, all of the above are the chemical changes. Burning of paper, new thing is formed, ashes. Germination of seeds, seed टूट के उसमें से plant निकल गया, वापस seed नहीं बन सकता. Rusting of iron key, rusting is irreversible. So yes, all of the above are absolutely correct. Guys, come on, focus. Why you people are like misclicking so much? Read all this. Take 2-3 seconds to read it. It wouldn't take much long, right? Okay. So see, I know speed matters, but the best thing that is going to bring you on the leaderboard and which you are going to excel in is your correct answers. Most of the time the people who are in the top are not the ones who are answering the fastest, but they are the ones who are answering the most of the questions correctly. So that is the trick over here that you have to use. So Shreya, Ritish, Tanisha are now in the top 3. Then we have Nikhil, Sakshi, Shaurya is the fastest. Then we have Rudransh, again another Rudransh. Avnish is on fire right over here. Then Anshika, welcome to the leaderboard. So my name is Abha Sharma. All right, and the next question is on your screens. Okay, I know this one. Quickly answer it correctly now. I want like 100% in this. Come on, people, answer it away. Very nice, 22 of you. Photosynthesis is a physical change. That is absolutely false. It is a chemical one. We are making something new. हम कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को, सनलाइट को, क्लोरोफिल को, वाटर को सब कुछ यूज करके एक नई चीज बना रहे हैं ना. दैट इज द फूड. सो दैट न्यू थिंग इज मेकिंग. कैन वी जस्ट ब्रेक डाउन दैट फूड एंड मेक अदर थिंग्स वापस? नो, इट इज नॉट irreversible as well. So that is why it is absolutely false. It's a chemical change, right? Focus, guys. I need your focus right over here. It's a very easy chapter, but I don't know why you people are like, I was hoping for more and more correct number of answers because they are so direct questions. I have not even made a challenging quiz. So Avnish was the fastest this time. Very well done. Then we have Shreya, Ritish and Tanisha in the top 3. We have Rudransh, both of them. Then Avnish, Anshika, Harsh and Sakshi in the top. No problem, Shaurya. Meet you soon. Take care. Bye-bye. All right. Okay, so no, I would say wrong kind of a practice in this particular class, guys. This platform is for studying. Focus on studying over here, right? And otherwise you would be chucked out of the class. I'm so sorry. Okay. Yeah, digestion of food is a dash change, a physical or a chemical one. Absolutely chemical. Very nicely done, guys. Very nicely done. So digestion of food is a chemical change because we are taking out all the nutrients and everything out of it, and that is irreversible, right? So it is a chemical change. A lot of chemical processes are, done to basically break down that food and to kind of, use energy from that. So it is a chemical change. So Ritesh is the fastest this time. We have Shreya, Ritesh and Tanisha in the top 3. Then we have Nikhil, Rudransh, Avnish, Anchika, Harsh and Sakshi in the top. Hi Meena, how are you doing? So nice to have you here. All right, let's move on to the next question. Quickly join in the Mentee Quiz. Which of the following is a physical change? Read all of them. Read out. Okay? I know you people can do it. Hi Ria. Okay, I got your name. Very good. Most of you are correct. So inflation of balloon. Inflation मतलब balloon को फुलाना. So फुलाना is a physical change because मैं उसको वापस से उसमें से हवा निकाल सकती हूँ, deflate कर सकती हूँ. So inflation of food in all of them is a physical change. Okay, sure. I got your name right there, Ria. So let's see who is on the leaderboard now. So we have Avnish, who is the fastest. Very well done. Then we have Shreya, Ritesh and Tanisha in the top 3. We have Nikhil, Rudransh, Avnish, Rudransh, Anshika, Harsh and Sakshi. Very well done. Hi Ayush, so nice to see you over here. How are you doing? All right, so let's move on with the next one. So we are moving ahead with towards the end of the quiz. So I want you to put up all your nitros because still you can be on the leaderboard and still you can top the chart, because like all of these questions are not that, I would say, easy to answer. So quickly move on and let's see how much you know. Okay, let's be a part of Mentee Quiz right away. Okay, very easy peasy one. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. That's what you people say. Timetable for what, Ria? My timetable. Miss Clay. Cutting off cloth is a chemical change. Absolutely not. It's a physical change. Okay, so you can join in by putting मतलब एक नया टैब खोलो, उसमें डालो www.mentimeter.com. आपकी स्क्रीन पे लिखा हुआ है ना go to www, यहाँ ऊपर बिल्कुल, फिर उसमें ये कोड डालना 3695844. दैट इज प्रेजेंट ऑन द स्क्रीन, बिल्कुल टॉप जो ऊपर लाइन है. एंड देन यू कैन एंटर द कॉम्पिटिशन दैट वी आर हैविंग, क्विज दैट वी आर हैविंग, राइट? So yes, that is false. Let's see what effect that this put on our leaderboard. Okay. So Ritesh was the fastest this time. Then we have Ritesh, Shreya, Ritesh, Tanisha in the top 3. We have Nikhil, Rudransh, Anshika, Harsh, Sakshi, Mamta. Welcome to the leaderboard, and Rudransh. Very nice. Okay, so here is the leaderboard. Sorry, the next question. Yeah, I'll quickly share my timetable for you. I do have a good one, a very changing one, because I was not that well in the past few days, past few weeks, I would say 1 or 2 weeks. That is why it is changing tremendously each and every day. But now I'm feeling much better, so that would be like a good one. Now I will be taking class each and every day. Neha, that is really sweet of you. Thank you so much. Okay, I'll let you know about that, Ria. So freezing of water is a physical change, absolutely, and we got our 100% follow question right over here. Thank you so much everyone for answering it correctly. That is absolutely true. I can really take a screenshot of this and frame it and just put it in my room, because after a lot of time 100% of you are correct in this question. Very nicely done. So my hobby, I love to go to gym. I am a very social person, so I love to go to lunches and coffees, and going out is like my best thing. Then I love to interact. That's why my job is like that, streaming all over India with you lovely children. So, yeah, these are all my hobbies. I love to work. I'm a workaholic, a big one. I always try to work. I always try to make my day very productive. So, if I'm not working, I get sad. So, yes, I'm always working. All right. So, what about you? What are your hobbies? All of you. So let's see the leaderboard. So we have Ritesh to be the fastest. Then we have Shreya, Ritesh and Tanisha in the top three. I can now see a few of the, leaders over here. Then we have Nikhil, Rudransh, Anshika, Harsh, Sakshi, Mamta and Rudransh. So nice. So Walt Gamer has a channel. That is so nice. All right, let's see. So, guys, I'm not allowed to take any personal classes or share my personal number on this platform. Okay, we are not allowed to do so. So, if you want to have any doubts about the academics or any classes that I'm taking, you can definitely, take that down, and you can write that in the chat. Yes, I love to go to gym. Absolutely, everyone can become everything they want. I'm telling you, I can like stamp it on a paper and write it. So if you put hard work, if you are consistent with your efforts, you would be able to do each and everything. Okay, so stretching of a metal wire is a chemical change. No, we are just expanding. We're just increasing the size of that particular thing. So that is false. That is physical change. Okay. So nice. And let's see who was the fastest this time. So Ritesh again is the fastest. Very well done, Ritesh. You are really doing good. Huh? Keep pulling out your nitros. Very nice. So Shreya, Ritesh and Nikhil now are in the top three. Then we have Tanisha, Rudransh, Anshika, Harsh, Sakshi, Rudransh and Avnish is on fire. So nice. All right, so last few question, guys. Focus. You still can, lead the charts. Reproduction, reaction. Not reproduction. Reaction should not be here. Reproduction is a physical change. Reaction को कुछ reaction नहीं होता है reproduction में. Why did I write reaction? I don't know. A typo. All right. So let's see who would be answering it correctly this time. Okay, so false. Absolutely, it's not a physical change at all, or lots of chemical processes, and it's irreversible. Can a baby be put back into into the mother and just be not a baby again? Can that happen? Reproduction, एक बार baby आ गया तो हम उसको वापस तो नहीं भेज सकते ना? So that is why it's a chemical change, guys. Very easy peasy. Okay, so let's see. So Ritesh now was the fastest, a very consistent one. Ritesh, very well done. So now we have Ritesh, Nikhil and Shreya in the top three. We have Tanisha, Rudransh, Anshika, Harsh, Rudransh, Sakshi and Srinivas. Very well done, guys. All right, so here is the next question on your screens. And I know that there is a lag of at least, I would say, 15 to 20 seconds in the way I'm speaking and when it's reaching you. So just bear that with me. There's a lag of at least 20 to 25 seconds. Okay. I am a biggest sweet tooth, I would say. So Neha, like I love to eat everything sweet, like chocolates and ice creams and cakes and everything sweet. So yeah, that would be like my soul food and my favorite food. What about you? So formation of manure from leaves is a chemical change. Absolutely true. So true is the correct answer. Right? So it is a chemical change that is happening. That is why we are able to make manure from the leaves. Okay. So let's see who is on the leaderboard now. Okay. So Fastest is, it's a tie between the fastest fingers. So Ritesh is also the fastest, and Srinivas also answered that's the fastest. Very nice. So Nikhil, Shreya are in the top 3, Ritesh also. Then we have Tanisha, Rudransh, Anshika, Harsh, Rudransh, Sakshi, and Srinivas. Very, very well done. And the next question is here. So last 3 question, guys. This can be a game changer. Quickly just focus and answer it away. All right, condensation of steam is a physical change. Let's see. Condensation of steam. What do you mean by condensation? First question तो यही आ जाता है. किसको याद है कि condensation पढ़ा था? Let me give you a hint. Condensation is an opposite process of evaporation. So it is absolutely true. Condensation क्या होता है? Condensation होता है जब भी हमारे water vapors जाते हैं, rise करते हैं, हम उन water vapor को cool down करके we make water back again. So changing water vapor or converting water vapor into water with the help of cooling, that is known as condensation. So it is a physical change. अब मैंने वो water vapor से water बना दिया, right? Now, again I can make that water into water vapor by boiling it. So it's a physical change, reversible thing. Nothing is new is formed, but the state of the water is just getting changed. So it is a physical change, okay? Yes, absolutely. So Srinivas was the fastest this time. Very well done, Srinivas. So Ritesh, Nikhil and Shreya are in the top 3. Then we have Tanisha, Anshika, Harsh, Rudran, Srinivas, Avnish and Sakshi. Very well done. Thank you so much, Neha. That is so sweet of you. I'll eat up all the chocolates that you have mentioned, like 5 chocolates and 4 cakes today. Thank you so much. I'm going to tell my mummy and dad to just get all those chocolates and cakes for me. Thank you so much. Okay, so yeah, the second last question is on your screens. Okay. So the conversion of chalk stick into chalk dust is a physical change. Let's see who can answer this one. All right, so most of you are true, then yes, because we are just changing that chalk stick or rubbing that chalk stick and making out the powder out of it, right? So yes. Hi Manan, how are you doing? Very nice. So Sakshi was the fastest this time. Very well done. So we have Ritesh, Nikhil and Tanisha in the top 3. Then we have Anshika, Harsh, Shreya, Rudransh, Avnish, Sakshi and Rudransh again. Very nicely done. Sure, I am waiting, Neha. I'm waiting. All right, so the last question of this class, I know who is, let's see who is going to be on the leaderboard and leading today's session. Okay, neutralization is a physical change. Oh my God, tell me about it. Let's see who knows this one. So that is absolutely false. Did I just give you a wrong bowl? How can I just do that in the last one? Let me just quickly correct this for you. Don't you worry, my children. Wait. Neutralization is a chemical change, okay? So the statement was wrong. I'll just change that for you, don't worry. The last question, and that is false. False? Yeah. True nahi, false hai. So neutralization is a physical change, false. Okay, now we have the correct ones. Okay, so most of you answered it correctly. Very nice. So neutralization is a reaction between acid and bases when they neutralize their effect and form salt and water. So that is definitely a chemical change. It is not a physical change. So this statement was false. So let's see now who is on, the top and who actually led the class. Very nicely done. So Ritesh and Anshika is the fastest, and Ritesh, congratulations, you topped today's session. So that is a well-deserved one, Ritesh, because most of your answers were correct and most of the time you were the fastest. So it was a well-deserved win. Very nice, Ritesh. Tholkapian Chennaiyan FC. I believe that's some name of a club or something, right? Okay, so on the second we have Nikhil, Tanisha, Anshika, Rutranch, Mr. Garg. Then we have Shreya, Avnish, Rudranch again, the mastermind, and Srinivas. Very well done, guys. Such a healthy and nice competition. Really, really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much for being in today's class, and I'd love to have each one of you today right over here with me. So I am coming up with something really interesting on Tuesday on this YouTube channel. So what it is, like, it will be a session on aviation, because I have I was a cabin crew in in that industry for some time before this. So yes, I would be teaching you, I would be like telling you about the inner secrets and how that industry works, and how it is going to be. So yes, I'm like lovely to it would be really lovely to have you all over there. So hope to see you in the next session on YouTube, and lots of sessions on your Unacademy platform. So go ahead and just quickly you can click on my profile and just follow me for all the updates, and I'll definitely try to put that up in the put that up in the Telegram, right? So all of that would be there. So you can ask me anything. Thank you so much for being in the class. I had a lovely session with all of you. I really appreciate you being here. All right. So thank you so much, guys. Take care for today, and yeah, good night.